The digital age is upon us. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, or AI, stands at the forefront of this revolution. One of the most exciting frontiers of AI is its application in video creation. AI-generated videos are rapidly changing the landscape of visual storytelling. Imagine a world where captivating videos can be created effortlessly. Imagine transforming simple text prompts into stunning visuals. This is the power of AI in video creation. It empowers everyone to become storytellers. AI is breaking down traditional barriers. AI-generated videos are not just about convenience. They represent a new era of artistic expression. The future of video creation is here. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of AI-generated videos. As a science communicator, I am constantly seeking new and innovative ways to engage audiences. The potential of AI-generated videos excites me. It holds the power to democratize video creation. It can make it accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skills or resources. This opens up a world of possibilities for educators, artists, and storytellers from all walks of life. Imagine generating animations that seamlessly blend different art styles, or envision creating photorealistic videos from simple text descriptions. Beyond its artistic potential, AI in video creation offers unparalleled efficiency. It can automate time-consuming tasks. This allows creators to focus on what truly matters: storytelling. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of AI-generated videos. The magic of AI-generated videos is made possible by sophisticated algorithms and user-friendly tools. These tools empower anyone to harness the power of AI. They can create stunning videos with ease. Text-to-video generators transform text prompts into engaging videos. Users input their script and AI handles the rest. AI video editors streamline editing, creating cuts and transitions. AI avatar creators deliver messages with personality. Section 4, AI versus traditional: a paradigm shift in video creation. The advent of AI marks a paradigm shift in video creation. It's like comparing the invention of the printing press to the painstaking process of hand-copying manuscripts. Traditional video creation: time-consuming. Traditional video creation is a labor-intensive process. It requires significant time and effort, from scripting and storyboarding to filming and editing. Technical expertise: mastering traditional video creation tools often requires specialized skills and training. Resource-intensive traditional video production can be expensive. It often involves investing in equipment, software, and potentially a production team. AI-assisted video creation. Efficiency: AI streamlines every step of the video creation process, from generating ideas to editing and finalizing videos. The shift from traditional to AI-assisted video creation is not just about efficiency. Section 5. The promise of AI: efficiency and artistic expression. The true magic of AI in video creation lies in its ability to enhance both efficiency and artistic expression. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it. Efficiency unleashed. Time savings. AI automates time-consuming tasks, freeing up creators to focus on the creative aspects of video production. Enhanced productivity. AI tools streamline workflows, enabling creators to produce more content in less time. Artistic expression amplified. Unique visuals. AI algorithms can generate novel and captivating visuals that push the boundaries of traditional video production. AI empowers creators to tell their stories in ways never before imagined. Section 6. AI Video Revolution: transforming industries and empowering creators. The impact of AI-generated videos extends far beyond individual creators. It's revolutionizing industries, transforming business communication and engagement. Marketing and advertising. Personalized video ads resonate with viewers. Education and e-learning. AI creates engaging educational videos. Gaming and entertainment. AI generates realistic characters and immersive environments. Empowering businesses and content creators. Enhance storytelling through AI tools.